this is Lady and welcome to another educational video. Are you planning to start a career as a childcare provider but you don't have no idea how much to charge? Or maybe you have been a childcare provider but you feel you could make more? Today in this video I will share with you my rates and I will show you how I did. So let's watch this video together. This is how my rate looks. Now it has 4 different options. I have full-time, part-time, daily rates and hourly. This is for my regular hours and this is for my premium time. I'm gonna just make, let's see if I can do a different view. This view is way better. It's only one page that I'm gonna be covering in this video. So in the first line I put the name of the business, my address and phone number. I also have details about the registration fee, body training, and then here you're gonna be able to see regular hours. After 40 hours of care, there's an extra charge additional per hour. From birth to 24 months, I do charge $245. How do I know how much to charge? A lot of people ask me. Right now, I won't put too many details, but I'm gonna share really quick from where I got this information. Mine is a little bit higher. Why? Because I don't want to be every year submitting a new one. The last time that I submit this one to the program was in 2017. Since 2017, I haven't changed my rates. They are still the same. But in case this one goes up, for sure I will make the change. Now, I want you guys to understand from where I get this information. I will show you right now the website where I got it, and also we are going to be able to compare. But here, if you go to the California Department of Education, you're going to be able to see more details about the rates. It's going to depend also in the county where you are from. And now I'm going to choose the county. I'm from Los Angeles County, and these are the rates for the family childcare. So if you have also a childcare center, as you can see, it's gonna be higher than home childcare. I know it's a lot of information, but it's really important that you guys understand about how to put together a rate. We work between 12 to 16 hours. We deserve the right to get paid, and the best way is to have a good rate. What's a good rate? It's gonna depend on your location, it's gonna depend how many kids you have, and if you have full-time, part-time, hourly. The last time that they did a change in our rates, that we got the increase, was in January 1st, 2018. Since that, we haven't got a raise. Crossing my finger for next year to get a raise. Don't worry, I will put this link in the description of this video. I want you to see the difference. For example, from birth to 24 months, I'm charging $245. The program only will pay us $232 with 26 cents per week. So I'm a little bit over, but it's better to be over than less. Now school age kids, $185, and they are only paying us $168. Now, as you can see, they also have monthly. I do not have monthly. In my case, I don't have neither daily, I don't have neither hourly. But because of the program, I had to add these two. For my program to be successful, I can only accept full-time and part-time. And to be honest, I don't like neither the part-time. I rather to have only full-time. Let's talk about premium rates. This is only if you are 24 hours or you work evenings only, or if you work weekend. You are the person in charge of your business and you have to make the decision what's the best. In the past, I worked weekends, I worked Saturday and Sunday. It was good money, I can tell you. But it wasn't good for my family. So I made a choice between my family and my business, and family won. So this is how it looks. I hope this video really helps you so you can start updating your rates and make sure you value your work. If you guys like this kind of videos, please like it. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell so you won't miss my next video. Keep in mind, when I reach 500 subscribers, I will be having a teacher giveaway. Make sure you subscribe today if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching. Hasta pronto. See you soon.